Assalamu guys, Irfan back again with another video, and this is going to be a series of videos, one video each on each of the 450 odd functions that you have in Excel. So I will try to roll out all the videos as soon as possible, but I've already done a few videos on some of the functions like rank and convert and bit left shift and bit right shift. So four are done. So, but that was done as as a separate videos itself. But now what we are going to do is we are going to be actually setting, like I said, starting a new series in which we'll be going through each function, and for each function we'll be creating a video. So starting with the letter A, today what we are going to be talking about is the ABS function. ABS actually stands for absolute. Now, what absolute means is you take a number and you strip it for its sign, the negative or positive sign. You remove the sign, and the number that you get after stripping it of its sign is the output of this ABS function. Basically, it's an absolute value. Okay, so let's assume here we have -4. I'm just going to put in some values here and show you how this function works. Okay, now if I were to do is equal to ABS, now let's first look at the syntax. It tells you returns the absolute value of a number without its sign. Okay, and so put a bracket, and now we're giving it the parameter of that we are passing through. Okay, so now it wants the number. Okay, so for example, we put in a +2. Now you remove the sign, you still get the 2. Okay, so here I'll just write without the without the equal sign, so you can see what we are doing, and this will be the output. Okay, now if I were to do ABS -2, okay, you should get, again, you should get to 2, because what's going to happen is the ABS function is going to strip the -2, the -2 of its negative sign, and give you just the number 2. Okay. Now this is if you're giving it a number. Now you can also actually put as a reference, you can put in cell. So this would be A2. Okay, so let's do that. A2. So basically what's going to happen is this A2 contains -4. When it's the ABS function is going to strip -4 of its negative sign, you'll be left with just that number 4. See, there you are. Okay, so if I were to change this to, say, for example, a -8, as soon as it entered, this would be just a number 8. Okay, now if it was a +8, drops the sign, you still get the same number. Okay, now this is useful if you are doing some subtraction of two numbers, and you want the absolute value to be returned. For example, if you are doing, say, for example, A2 minus A3, and you don't care about whether A2 is a bigger value or A3, you just want the difference of those two. There are instances where you need that. Okay, so let's see what that would be. I'm going to make this a -4 again, like it was, and this was A2, and let's make A3 as the number 2. Okay, so this would get translated to A2 is -4 minus the number 2. Okay, so this should be -6. Then you strip the -6 negative sign from -6, and you get a 6. So let's do that. A2 minus A3, close bracket, and you should get the number 6. Now Let's turn it around. If we were to do A3 minus A2, okay, and I'm going to make this a positive 4, and I'll show you why I'm doing that. Now, A3 is 2. 2 minus 4 would give you a minus negative 2. But because we've got it that in the absolute function, we'll get a number 2 without this negative sign. So let's see that. A3 minus A2 close bracket. So it's 2 minus 4 gives you minus negative 2. ABS negative 2, you drop the negative side and you only left with 2. And you got that here. So that is how you use the absolute function. So that brings us to the end of this video. Like I said, this is going to be a series of videos because we are only discussing in this series, we are only discussing short, just it will be a very short video because we only be discussing one particular function in each video. So each video would be about 3 to 5 minutes long maximum. Okay, so this was in this series. Let's make this video number 1. Okay, like I said, I've already done a few like rank, convert, bit shift left, bit shift, bit right shift, bit left shift. So I'll number those appropriately. But like I said, there are about 450 odd functions. So by the end of this series, you would have about 450 videos. All right. So let's see how. Like I said, I will try to roll out these videos one per function as fast as I possibly can. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also make sure that you hit the bell icon so you will always receive notification from YouTube when new videos are uploaded. Thank you.